grinder? You want to go in your pen? Here, you can film grinder. I'm gonna let him in his pen. I think he wants in.
Does he have to go in?
No, he doesn't have to, but...
Okay.
Yes, I am gonna walk them out.
Oh, good. Can he go in?
I think he can.
Does he want to? Come on, buddy. Go inside.
That would be good.
Come on.
He's already in there.
Come on. Let's go inside. Nice boy.
Yeah, if you want to stand in there and kind of like pretend that you have food.
There you go. Use your savvy string and see if you can coax him in.
Oh, all right.
Without tying him.
Here?
No, I'll show you.
How do you do that?
Here, hold on to the gate, I'll show you.
Oh, this is going to be... Okay, come on.
Yes.
There you go. Jeff sees asking politely. That's nice. There you go.
He's got to help. He has trouble getting in.
I got it.
Oh.
In you go, Grinder.
Grinder. You got a little extra weight in the back there. That must be the whole issue.